She will share some of the tips or nutrition things.
Hi everyone. I've not informed prior, but I'm just asked to talk about health and hygiene, particularly in females. So I want to start with a phrase, prevention is better than cure. I hope everyone knows this, right? Prevention is better than cure. What it means is, before getting a disease, we can really prevent, by just making what we know, just simple ways to do, like nutrition, physical fitness, which are in our own hands. So I want to emphasize that you all have your health in your own hands at the first point. So coming to nutrition, I want to stress on 2 points. One is anemia, which is really the most common problem which females have in India, and it's the indirect most common cause of antepartum deaths and postpartum deaths. I mean, the pregnant ladies, they face really a very challenging problem with anemia. They have to take iron supplements throughout the pregnancy, and there are some people who require blood transfusion for the anemia. So now you all can prevent it very easily by taking iron-rich foods, because there are many causes for anemia, but the most common is iron deficiency anemia, and which is also due to your menstruation. Like every month we do menstruate. Because of that we lose a lot of blood, and because of that anemia is most common. It's not like some disease. So you could prevent that by taking iron-rich foods. Anyway, because of COVID, we all know what are the nutritious foods we should take, to build our immunity: zinc, iron, vitamin C, everything. So females, I suggest you please take iron-rich foods, which are really very easily available to us: spinach, nuts, dates, everything. You all know that, but you'll just neglect it. So I just want to tell you, please take care of it. And another thing is menstrual hygiene. We in front of boys, it's the fact, we all are ashamed, we hesitate, if it's something related to it. But please don't do it. My only aim in telling this is, boys, you also should be aware of it. There is a physiological thing which girls go on throughout their life after they reach puberty. It's nothing to be ashamed of, or they should feel shy or awkward about that. You should make sure that they feel comfortable even if everyone is around. They should feel comfortable with that. Only then they'll be healthy. So you should take care, periodically, you should, about the hygiene, you should be clean and dry every time. You should know that. And what's healthy, what's unhealthy. We'll have white discharge. You should know, if it's physiological, no problem. Otherwise, if you have some irregular periods, or you're having continuously the pain which you feel during your periods, you should please consult a doctor. You just please get aware of it. Is it normal? Is it normal menstruation or anything pathological? Nowadays, PCOS is really very much getting more in public. Polycystic ovarian disease. I think some of you may know it. So it's all because of the lifestyle which we are undergoing. So you maintain good menstrual hygiene and also health. It's two different areas. Hygiene is you should be clean and dry. Health is you should know what is pathological, and you should definitely consult a doctor before it goes beyond. And I also want to talk about myths. What are the myths about menstruation? The one thing I want to say is, if you take a tablet for your pain, your what do you say, that impure blood won't go out. That's really what do you say, that's false, completely false. If you are suffering from the pain, please take a tablet. That's nothing harm to you. There's nothing harm that does to you. It actually helps you. The bleeding doesn't stop because of that drug, because it only acts on pain receptors. So just take care, please consult a doctor or health professional, someone who is aware of this completely. Because at your home, your moms will be saying all the stuff which they have heard from their elderly. I don't say, I don't want to go into cultural aspects, but please, you as an educated female, you should know what's correct, how we can prevent, and how to take care. So that's the thing. And finally, I'm not prepared, I'm just talking what all I should say now. So you all just take care of your health. And boys, I want to tell you, good nutrition and physical fitness is really most difficult nowadays. You all think అంటే ఇప్పుడు జిమ్ కది కూడా ఎంతగా వెళ్తున్నారో మీకు తెలుసు. Once they get obese and then they try to reduce their weight, but before getting that you can try it prior. మీరు పెద్దగా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అవి ఏం చేసి అక్కర్లేదు. ఇంట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు జస్ట్ కూర్చునే కంటే నడిస్తే చాలు. ఆల్ సింపుల్ వేస్, జస్ట్ చిన్నవి చేస్తేనే మీ హెల్త్కి చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. సో యాజ్ అ డాక్టర్ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు సే ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఐ థింక్ కొంచెమైనా హెల్ప్ అవుతుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను ఇందులో నేను చెప్పింది కొంచెంలో ఏదైనా. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ.